Welcome to a live build with Jonathan. Today we're going to build a webinar funnel for digital marketing for myself. Basically, I want to improve my ad conversion, and right now I'm sending people to a buy now page. It's got a decent conversion, but I know I can improve it by sending people to a webinar funnel. It's the same thing as like sending like a lead magnet funnel. So I'm just going to show you my process, just live stream for like 50 minutes. Nothing formal, no free presentation. I have my to-do list. So you're just going to see me work through building a funnel from scratch, a webinar funnel. And then I'll probably pause it to like record the actual webinar. And I want to show you the steps and processes, because the value is basically you need a lead magnet when you're running paid ad traffic. I'm running Facebook. Let's actually dive into it. Let me share my screen. So right now I'm running Facebook ads. I got a decent 2% conversion. It's like, okay, I could do better. Because if you think about it, technically right now I'm sending people to a buy now page with a low ticket offer. And I'm not recuperating those leads that are going there basically. So that's why I want to build a lead magnet funnel. There's 4 different lead magnets that you could do. You could do a PDF or a checklist. You could do a mini course. You could do a webinar. I think those are the main ones starting off. The most popular one is a masterclass or a webinar. And so that's what I'm going to build. I'm looking at my competition. And so that's why it's really good to know your competition so that you can really understand what's being offered in the market, both for as a lead magnet, low ticket and high ticket offer, so that you could come in with something of more value and to differentiate yourself and to save yourself a lot of headache from trial and error in marketing. So first thing I'm going to do, so I'm going to rebuild this. Let's actually turn this ad off. That's going to be our first thing. And then our first thing is we're going to create a landing page in Lead Pages, which is super simple. You may have different tools. I have my stick about different tools. There's ClickFunnels, which just takes a little more time to set up. I like Lead Pages quick, fast. If you have a Wix, WordPress, GoDaddy, essentially useless as far as a website tool. You could literally double your revenue just by changing from one of those website tools like Squarespace, Wix, WordPress, or GoDaddy, any one of those tools, to a proper funnel tool, and you can already double your sales and leads. I'll clone the marketing course and I'll just rebuild from there. That's good enough. Let's use the thank you page, this one. Let's duplicate. And I'm going to do 0. Marketing webinar squeeze. This is just a squeeze page. Super simple. I'll just rebuild it with this. So let's add or rip through this real quick. Hey, do you want this? Click this. I really like doing these. Let's add an extra column. Add an extra row, one for the title. And then for this row, we'll duplicate an extra column. That way I could put this up here, and then this over here, this over here. Cool. And then I could work. Yeah, super simple. Okay, so I'm just going to actually do this. More leads and customers from social media. You need to watch this masterclass. Let's make this white. Actually, I want white. Yeah, it's white. Just space that out just a little bit. That's good. We're going to go to. I'm actually going to get it for my sales page, and we could turn these into a webinar kind of thing. This is the old one. Don't need that one. Enroll landing page is this one. We're going to also, I was doing something with the pricing low ticket, but I'm just going to do the regular. It's like a mid ticket. Let's go to ChatGPT. I have a conversation going with my ChatGPT. Just all about the business basically, so it makes it nice to keep the context. Creating. Okay, you're a marketing expert and consultant. I'm creating a free webinar for the Marketing Accelerator course. Turn these into top 5 things they're going to learn on the masterclass. So if you guys don't know, right now I have a Marketing Accelerator course. It's a course, live workshops, and community where basically I teach business owners my 3-step process on how to turn visitors into leads, or how to double your sales with leads. Basically with funnels, there's 3 elements. There's basically irresistible offers, there's funnels, and then Facebook or Instagram ads. Those are the 3 main components that you need to start. That's good enough. I'll take that. To start generating leads online. Basically the same thing that I'm doing. So I'm going to take this. I want actually, yeah, that's good. What you'll learn. Okay, and then let's take these. Simple. And if you're a business owner and want leads and customers from social media, you need to watch this brand new masterclass. What you'll learn in 20 minutes. Boom, boom, boom. And then, okay, that's good enough. Next, let's do a form. We're just going to build this super quick. What do you have for the, here's a pop-up for center. Boom. Well, I'll email you the link. That's good. Yeah, sure, let's do this. Okay. Webinar V3. Thank you page. Thank you page is going to go to a new page. Let's just create that, which is basically going to be this. This is the same process that I'll actually teach you through the course. We teach you these fundamental tools so that you quickly create a landing page, write sales copy, run Facebook ads, start collecting leads. This is the whole system online, everything you need to start turning clicks into sales online consistently and improve it. Okay, we're going to do a little metadata. I have a client in like 30 minutes, so that's why we're going to rip through this super quick, have this up and running so that we can increase conversions. Okay, so this is good. Let's just duplicate this. Landing page, what do we have for the course? Hold on. Course landing page, enroll. We're going to actually just rename. This is going to be just 3. I do the numbering just so it keeps everything nice and organized when you sort it, because your funnel may have many steps to it. This is going to be 2. Client in 10 minutes. Okay, so this is only going to last for 10 minutes longer, but roughly you get the gist of the idea. So basically creating a landing page, we're going to run Facebook ad campaign to it, and then we'll do an email marketing campaign. So it follows up with the emails, and then it will also have a Facebook retargeting campaign. So all the people that just went to the page, they'll get retargeted. And I'll finish the rest. But just want to give you an overview of basically how to build a funnel, the tools, because this is important, and most of that very valuable, because most business owners, they think they have a oh God, if you have a website, dear God, you're losing money. But that's cool. Not all business owners want to make money. Let's refresh this. Do this. Do this. See how nicely sorts, and then I could do this, duplicate. So then I've got the one, watch. So I got the squeeze page, the thank you page, which is watch the recording, and the next one's going to be the sales page. I'm going to remove the low ticket offer, and let's see, marketing, actually leads, masterclass, watch, keep it super simple. Okay, and then sections. This is just going to be a super simple webinar funnel. No need to create like 14 different sections. It's like if your top of fold isn't converting, there's no reason to put a bunch of other stuff at the bottom or having like 14 different tabs in like your website. The about me, the contact, the services. People ain't going to read any of that. Okay, I want this here. And then I want, don't need this. Actually, yes, I do need that. We're going to do this, and then we're going to do this. And then I just want a button. Cool. Cool. Make this red. This is great for like service. If you do a service provider or you online course or you sell tickets to something or like a course creator, coaches, consultants, freelancers, entrepreneurs, all of that. Digital marketing course landing page. That's 2012. Yep, that's right. Done. Simple, simple. Okay, cool. Now we are rocking. Let's check out our funnel. Sort it. So now when we go to our squeeze page, boom, now we can add the thank you page. Here, done. Now that our landing page is built, roughly, I'm just actually, I think I have an image too. Yeah, let's just do this image. Widgets, actually, Canva. Let's go to this one. In the course, this is actually kind of cool. I actually teach you how to be 3 times more productive on a computer. Just how you touch a computer, everything's happening. You just notice how I'm not like navigating to the URL, going to a website, going to this page. I'm like what I call teleporting. It like 3x's your productivity. We actually teach you how to do productivity on it, and we also have social media. There's a lot in the course. It's pretty much teach you how to be an online business owner, which is super scandalous. Like, okay, and then what I want, I want a play button. Move this up here, move this here. Center, good enough. That looks good. Download. JPEG, here, 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 okay. Now we can throw an image, here, here, upload. Boom, there's our image. Super nice, especially when you know the tool mastery. I mean, no offense, yeah, you could do this in like ClickFunnels or like Jobby, stuff like that, but this is just way faster and simpler. Okay, cool. Hey, watch this. Here's a button. 3 things you're going to learn. Enter your info. Most people really care about the first part. Then that's good. Okay. That's what they want. Done. That's going to be the webinar. Webinar's done. Let's now feed it with some data. So when I do my Zapier integration, fill out the form, takes you to a landing page. Boom, simple, done. And if they like the landing page, they click this and it takes you to the sales page. Super awesome. So I'm still going to update we'll change that. So looking good. Oh, we're at 27. Okay, we're done. Let's close out. So in just a few minutes, you just watched me how to build a webinar funnel, just real basic, super simple, quick. I still have to record the webinar, upload it, do the Zapier integration. There's a lot of other steps up there, but this is a lot of the stuff that I teach you in the Marketing Accelerator, how to use the tool so you could quickly, basically in one day, and basically I could do this in an hour, whip up everything from the sales copy, landing page, ad, so that you know exactly how to get leads within the next 72 hours for your business. I'm Jonathan Cunha, your marketing coach. Hope you learned something, and I hope you have a blessed day. Bye.